The AquaSense 2 pool vacuum makes pool maintenance effortless with its automatic surfacing feature, which activates after cleaning or when the battery runs low. Its innovative double-pass waterline scrubbing technology ensures the waterline is cleaned twice per pass, delivering a superior and crystal-clear finish. This pool vacuum comes with a 3-year total replacement plan, providing peace of mind with full machine replacements instead of just repairs. It is designed for precision cleaning, effectively scrubbing floors, walls, and waterlines across various pool surfaces, such as concrete, tile, vinyl, and fiberglass. Powered by a high-capacity 10,000 mAh battery, it can clean for up to 4 hours on a single charge and recharges quickly in just 4 hours using a sleek wireless dock. The AquaSense 2's 4-side guide wheels ensure smooth movement and complete edge-to-edge cleaning, making it suitable for both above-ground and in-ground pools.